Hi, my name is Julie Ryan. I'm one of the lead theater teachers here at AISD. AISD has an amazing fine arts program, but the technology of our time has really flown past us. We do have a few campuses that have the technology that it needs in order to put our kids in the workforce in careers that they love. Technical theater is where these jobs are, and there are plenty. We need to give our kids the skills to be competitive. Many of our schools were built so long ago that the lighting systems are as old as 50 years and not in working order. A lighting designer with a union, with health benefits, with creative opportunities and leadership opportunities can start at about $50,000 a year and go as high as $100,000. Our high schools have begun using advanced tech in lighting, design, and sound. But in order to be competitive in the workforce and in other districts, we need to give them the tools to be competitive. Vote early, October 18th and 19th.